In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to attach file in Outlook email. Attaching file in Outlook email is really easy. For that, firstly we have to create a new email, and to do that, go to the top left corner. If you are using older version of Outlook, then you will find new email option here. But if you are on latest version, then you will find this new box. Just tap on that and then it will create a draft email. On this draft, we can enter the recipient email address, then we can add our subject. So let me add the recipient email address here, which will be this one. You can enter as many email addresses you want. So basically you can send multiple emails at once while attaching your document. Now I just wanna send it to this one. Then add your subject. I wanna type here file like so, and then you can enter your message as well. So the message will be hi. And in case you wanna add CC or BCC, then for that just go to here and you will find the CC option. Just tap on it and enter the CC you wanna type. Now to attach our file, we need to go to the message option from this top toolbar, and under it we'll find this attach file option. If you're on older version, then you might find the option here, but I have it here. I just need to tap on it. If you wanna attach any link, then for that select the link option, then enter the display of your link. So I'm just gonna type here YouTube and paste the URL on this web address section and then tap on OK. As you can see, I have attached the link here. But if you wanna attach any file, video or any image, then for that again we need to go to attach file, and this time we wanna click on this option, which is browse this computer. Then select the image or video you wanna attach in your email. So I have this image here. I wanna select it, then click on open. Now we just need to wait a bit until the image gets uploaded. You can see the image has been attached here. If you wanna adjust some settings, then for that click on the drop down arrow and it will show you more actions. So if you wanna preview it, then tap on preview and see the preview. If you wanna open it, then you can do that from here. You can copy it. So let's say I want to move this image into message body, then I can just select that option here and the image will be moved into my message body. And now to send this email, we can just tap on send and the email will be sent with an attached file. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.